Under this administration, we've seen the funding of around 6 million for COVID, but also roughly 25 million. These are all in US dollars to fund climate resilience building in agriculture, smart agriculture practices and funding for small farmers in that connection.
We are definitely looking towards funding for more projects, but we are looking for affordable financing. Farmers can no longer afford to get finances at high interest costs. And so we are targeting that. How can we get the World Bank to finance our institutions but at low cost? And that is the focus of government right now.